This copper tubing cutter by Ridgid is very cool. It's for 1/2 inch and 3/4, by far the most popular sizes. It is spring loaded. It's in the 1/2 inch position there. We're getting ready to cut some 3/4 inch tubing, and I'll film it in real time to give you an idea. Now the 1/2 inch locks into place, and what you do to get it to 3/4 is depress these ears. They're going to slide down, and then this will lock up into place. And when it does that, the ears come back and keep it locked up. If you go back to 1/2, you'll just depress these. So by sliding them down like that, and then pushing down, there's a spring in there. I don't know if that spring shows up or not. And then when you want to go back to 3/4, you'll just slide it over. There you go. And I don't know if you can see the spring-loaded roller. All you have to do is turn it. There's nothing to adjust. The constant spring tension does the cutting for you. And there's 3 grooves for a screwdriver to help turn it. Heavy. Made out of good metal. Die cast. It's got some weight to it. It's got some substance to it. Let's go ahead and set it up here and cut 2 3/4 inch pipes. See how it does. We want to preserve as much of the original copper as we can, so we're going to be cutting this kind of down low here, right above where there's a mounting strap. And it'll just snap into place as the cutter is spring loaded. And it's got an arrow on it. I don't want to move the pipe any more than necessary. That's why I'm holding it with my right hand. I believe it's cut. Well, that was sweet. We'll go ahead and do us another one. What impresses me is I can feel it cut in, but not too much, to where it doesn't bell the pipe, to where it doesn't bell the copper. So in this application, we're not even going to have to use the screwdrivers to help us. It's already cut. Yeah. Oh man. Really liking this. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there. Have a good one.